This is Brooklyn, the first house-sniffing dog. She alerts anytime she finds a great home. Must be a good one. I'm with Martina. Let's check it out. You get an updated home, lavish hardwood floors, and a modern kitchen. You live just across from the pond, which is the perfect view to enjoy every day. And you get a space that's perfect for entertaining. Brooklyn loves her daily walks to the shopping center, and I love having all of this just steps away. Brooklyn loves spending the day at the lake, and I love all the activities Prince William has to offer. So come and see what Brooklyn is so excited about. Welcome home.